Module 4.3, Day 1, Subtracting Polynomial Expression. Content Standards. Understand that polynomials form a system of analog to integers, namely they are closed under the operation of addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Language objective. Students will explain to a partner how to subtract two polynomial expressions. Explain 1. Subtracting polynomial expression using a vertical form. To subtract polynomials, rewrite the subtraction as addition of the opposite. So example 1. Subtracting using vertical method. So here, you can make sure that always write it in standard form. So first, we need to distribute this in first. Right? So this gives us a 5x plus 2. This becomes a plus. So 2x, a positive 3x, 2x squared, 3x, and give us a negative 4. So now we have a 5x plus 2 and 2x squared plus the 3x minus 4, and combining like terms, so this gives us a 2x squared plus ax minus 2. Right? So when you're doing subtracting polynomial, make sure that you distribute this negative sign. Okay, so let's try part B. Same thing. So first thing we need to do is that we need to distribute the negative sign. So they give us the first expression stay the same. Change that into a plus and distribute the negative in. So negative gives us a positive 2y squared. Negative positive gives us a negative y. Negative positive gives us a negative 1. And now we can combine like terms. So this is y squared plus y minus 1. 2y squared minus y minus 1. So this gives us 3y squared. This gives us a 0 and negative 2. Right, and then for number 2, is the difference of two polynomials always another polynomial? The answer is yes. Right? Okay, because we say that operation of plus and subtract of polynomials are closed. Oops. Okay, so let's try number 3, 4, and 5 on your own. Find the difference using a vertical format. Okay, so first, before you distribute the negative in, rewrite this in standard form first, and now distribute the negative 1 in. Right. Okay, so for subtracting polynomial, you need to be careful with the minus sign. Okay. Subtracting polynomial using a horizontal format. Once the subtraction problem has been rewritten as a sum, the polynomial can be added using the horizontal method. Recall that this method uses the associative, commutative, and distributive property to group and combine like terms. Right? So the first expression remains the same. Now we need to distribute the negative sign, so this gives us negative 2q squared, negative q, and a positive 4. And now we can combine like terms, so these two give us a 0, and these two give us a negative 2q, and these two give us a negative 4. Okay, and for b, so we have a 2ab minus b plus a, and distribute these in. Right, so it gives us negative 2b squared, negative b, negative a, and negative 4. So combine like term. Right, so then there's nothing that we can combine 2ab with, so we leave it as 2ab. And there's a negative b and a negative b, so give us a negative 2b, and an a, and a negative a give us a negative 2a. And there's nothing that can combine with the b squared, so they give us a negative 2b squared and a negative 4. Okay. All right, let's go on to number 6 and 7. So number 6 and 7 is your turn. So work them out, and I'll give you the answer in a minute. Right, so please check your answers for number 6 and number 7. Okay, so let's try this in a vertical form. Is that you need to distribute this negative in. Right? So then rewrite this as 5g squared plus 6g minus 10 minus 2g squared minus 2g minus 9. And then we can combine those, so they give us 3g squared plus 4g plus negative 19. Oh, is it? Okay, so do the same here, distribute this in. Combine it, so 6x cubed plus 2x. And this gives us a 0, so we do not need to write a 0. Right? And okay, so here's this, it's a shortcut, and you can write the negative sign in front of this, and then just combine like terms. So we do 10 minus 2, so that gives us 8b squared. 5 minus 1 is a 4b. Negative 2, negative 1 gives us a negative 3. Right? And we do, to double negative give us a plus, a minus, and a plus. So this gives us a 10c cubed, negative 7c squared, and positive 4c. Right, so when you do the shortcut, make sure that right, so this gives us 10ab squared minus, oops, so these two give us a 0, and these two will give us a positive 4b. So instead of 0, you don't need to write a 0. So this can be written as 10ab squared plus 4b. Right, so the same here, so that become a plus. Sorry, that's become a minus. This is plus, and this is also a plus. So 3x cubed plus 4x squared plus 6x. Okay, so please check your answer for number 1 through 6. Right. Okay, so now we're subtracting using the horizontal, so you can do the same thing, the shortcut, so make sure that you bring to this become minus, minus, and minus, right? So you can combine these two. So 7y squared minus 4y squared give us a 3y squared, and negative 7y and negative 2y give us a negative 9y, and 7 minus 3 give us a positive 4. Right, so the same here become minus, minus, and this become a plus. So 11 minus 9 give us 2zq, 6 minus 2 give us positive 4z squared, and 3 plus 8, that give us 11. Okay, so check your answer for number 7 through 12. Okay, so that's the end of our notes for Module 4.3 Day 1. Your assignment is your book set, and you have your HRW, and copy down 4.3 Day 2 notes.